I
Yep.
took a handbook. Somebody sent me an employee handbook to review, and I got through the first page and I thought, let me try something. And I put it into ChatGPT and said, please review this handbook for accuracy, current information. And it did it.
There
Wow.
you go. See?
It was
And
great.
it,
And I reviewed it afterwards, and the changes it had made sense, and it was good.
so I figured out that she would ask me a question. If I didn't know, I just make up some answer. Like some like crazy answer. Like I mean like way whacked out answer that's gotta there's no way that's true, you know? And so she would go, really? And I go, no, not really. And then we're laughing and everything. But I gave her an answer. So I hallucinated for a second. SPARK is an acronym for specify your goal clearly, provide relevant context, add constraints or requirements, request specific format, and know your audience.
Now,
This
is this
is,
something you created? Is it
yes,
yours? Oh, Spark is
th-
yours.
yeah, this is how you should uh, structure a prompt. And I just want to know, how do you feel after this time? How do you feel now as opposed to when you started this workshop this morning?
I just feel like I have more knowledge on how to use ChatGPT. But also, I didn't realize there were so many models out there for ChatGPT and other ones. So I had no idea what a super agent was. Now I know. So I feel like I have a better grasp on what AI is and how to use it.